Good morning, sir. We are still waiting for the other people to join. Mainly, we'll be covering two strategies today. Both of them are equally powerful, and I'll let you know which I use for my own self. So that is where it makes more things, and then we'll discuss why. Today you'll know one more secret that why I use that 13 and 43 MA during my intraday trading, because how beautifully it works we'll see today itself. Now, Navin, can you say something about your experience in market so far?
So I'm a very traditional and a conservative investor so far. I have taken the mutual fund SIP route since last 3 to 4 years,
Okay,
and I've witnessed a few ups and downs, and
okay,
all the observations that I've had, based on which I'm convinced that with mutual fund you can only go so far. If you are looking for a proper secondary source of income, there has to be something more tangible. And Kamal, just one more question I have is, since
yes.
this is my first session,
Hmm.
and I presume this session is the right way to kind of, for wealth creation in an aggressive manner.
Yes, so you just need to follow the rules and you just follow the system. Okay, the way we support in this case is currently because short selling is not allowed in stocks because of the current volatility. Okay,
Okay.
we still share the details for Bank Nifty. Okay, so I'll show you all those things how we will be supporting you for this particular thing as well. And this is going to be very, very simple way to trade in the market. You don't have to worry much. Okay,
Okay.
because uh, there is no system which is this simple till life, because I have been using this, and it's just follow the market. That's it. Wherever the market is going, either upside or downside, when you just follow this simply, you will understand the power of this. I
I
think
see.
Dharmani uncle is also here, and his friend Vijay Gupte sir has done this entire uh, program, and I know even he made his daughter-in-law do it, who is someone like us, IT professional, but she was also into mutual funds and all, and
Okay.
currently she also pinged me, for long trades for Reliance and thing, and she made good money during the fall.
I
And
see.
what that good money is, we will also see, because I'll be doing, uh, almost everything here, and then you will be, you, every one of you will be doing at least 2 to 3 months with me. So I will be doing it, and you will be speaking where the entries are, what will be the stop loss, so that you get into the system. Okay, so that is how we will do it. 3 months I will do it. Then 3 months we will switch to one of you. Then the other 3 months. Then the other 3 months. So we will at least do 15 months of analysis today on one particular stock, and then post lunch we will do some other stock and one more strategy on the same base. Right. So that is where we will be going today. So it's going to be very, very
Okay.
simple strategy, because when you see the strategy, you'll understand you don't need any knowledge of technical analysis. Okay, it's a simple line chart that we are going to see. Okay, so we have the
Okay.
photo now.
Got it.
So good morning, Sankar sir. I think you went into the wrong room, is what I understood. Yes, Sankar sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. So good to start, everyone. We'll just then kick off the ट्रेनिंग. इफ एनीवन हैज गॉट एनी डाउट्स, आप मुझे चैट पे पिंग कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. See, the beauty of this type of trainings are, we will be only five of us, and Paresh might just join in for some time and leave. Okay, so whoever has doubt can unmute yourself and speak out. Okay, this is the part where आपको नहीं समझा है या it is not clear, just immediately do that, and we will speak even on the doubt. So let's make it interactive. Okay, this is more practical based. इसके लिए I hope everyone has downloaded the software, the data, and the Excel which was shared by Paresh yesterday?
Yes, yes, I have downloaded.
Yes, yes, Dharmani Angle, because वो चाहिए ना, आज आपको साथ साथ में सबको करना है मेरे साथ.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so that will help us. Okay.
Actually, I want to ask one question, whether we have to see daily, we have to see the market.
डेली सर, वो अभी हम लोग चालू करेंगे तो आपको एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके. और अगर आपको इंट्राडे करना है तो भी क्या करना है ना, वो भी मैं आपको बता दूंगा. बट मेरा मेन पॉइंट इज राइट नाउ डेली, बिकॉज दैट इज वेयर इट विल हेल्प यू. Okay, so then let's start. So welcome for the trend following strategies, the Simply Build House. So trend following strategies, what is it, right? That we need to now understand. So trend following strategy, I'll just now go off the video because bandwidth thoda khayega. Okay, so mainly this trend following strategies characteristics. Yeah, what is this trend following strategies? Normally it is like you catch the wave when it starts and you ride it till the end. Now what do I mean by it? So let me just draw it on paintbrush. See, normally agar aap dekhoge to rally normally picks up like this, okay, and goes this way. Okay, but it has actually come from this direction. Okay, so mainly you never get from the bottom up. You will never get bottom as an entry. You will always enter somewhere in the mid when it starts and it gives you a breakout, and then when it is also coming down, right, you will never get the top, but you get at least somewhere where it breaks again. So you get at least the entire rally actually from this till this. So this is what you get in the rally as a trader. You will never get bottom, you will never get top. But if you get 80% of a rally, that makes more proper things. So that is the main thing of trend following, because you are following the market, you enter along with the along the side of the market. So that is what this particular strategies normally helps us to. It well designed, it can result in small but frequent losses. और ये small but frequent losses क्या होते हैं ना, वो अभी का मार्केट भी बहुत अच्छे से हमको बता रहा है. So it is something which, when the markets are not moving beyond a range, right, at that time you will see small but frequent losses. But once it starts moving in one direction, you make a huge money. So huge profits can be made by discipline. Now why with discipline? Also we will see it practically during December and till mid of February, what you were getting following the system, and then post February what you got is totally different, right? So that is the main reason why discipline is to be there. And the discipline in this case, can anybody just tell me what can be the discipline in this case, in such type of system? Anybody can speak.
You just follow the process, sir, and the profit will come.
That's it, Siraj. So that's a bang on thing. See, just follow the system, follow wherever the entries are been given by the market, just do the entry. Do not think that this is not the type of the market where it will sustain, I will hit a stop loss. No, you need to do that. Okay, and we will describe what this small losses are actually for a trend follower, right? Then you need to be in market all the time. See, if there is a lot many examples I can give when I know that time came between December mid till Feb mid, 2 months. Many of the students who were doing this religiously, they incurred some losses, and due to that losses, they, when the market started to follow in one direction, when they got something around 1500 to 2000 points as profit, they exited thinking that now if it reverses, no, we will again incur losses. So they didn't follow the discipline of the system, and the place where they lost was from the 1500 points, 2000 points of profit, which they were really happy. Then they missed 16,000 points one sided, which is on Bank Nifty. So this is the main issue, that you need to have that discipline. And I understand many people struggle because of the psychological difficult to follow due to the losses which comes to you. Because the thing is, we don't do this religiously for 1 year, we don't see the entire result of it. One request that I'll do to each and every one of you today is, whenever you start it at least for a year. Whichever stock you select, do it religiously for a year and then you tell me the results. Because what today you will see, even during the training, when I will be doing them, you will see the results yourself. But see, the thing is, whenever this training happens, people see the results, and then at times they see the results that we have done ourselves as well in the market. But they fail to understand that even that result had got few losses when we were showing them the sheet, that this is the losses. Along with that, the profit is at least 100% of your capital. But that is where, the thing is, nahi, if it is not working, this worked in last year, now I don't think so this will work this year. But if you stop that, this year it gave more than double what it gave last year. Last year our result was just 125% return on the investment, and this year so far it has already gone above 200%. Right? So that is where it is difficult to follow because of the losses. But if you follow the system as is, you will be rewarded by the market. And the main thing is, test patience and doesn't give thrill of day trading. Now, how many of you are doing day trading so far? I know Navin said that he is not doing it at all. So Navin is not doing. Shivraj, I think you just started, right, some day trading?
Yes, sir.
And Dharmani sir, आप भी normally invest करते हो, right?
Yes, yes, I am investing. And actually, I am doing day trading with your
Bank Nifty wala
Bank
strategy.
Nifty. Now
Oh.
I stopped because you are conducting daily, which is not possible for me.
No, that is true. And even today's market is such, there is volatility so much that even the 5 minutes candle has got a stop loss of more than 70, 80 rupees. So
Oh
that
my.
normally, we cannot take that type of thing. So that is, which may I had also stopped almost 20, 25 days. We stopped the live trading as well, because the markets are such that it will show you something else, and then, again, it falls back, or, it rises immediately. So that is the reason why, we are also, much not in that favor. But since we are in this profession, we are doing it. But you have that option of, at least stopping it for a time. Jab tak volatility does not reduce back to below 30 or 25, things will not get normal in day trading.
That's correct.
Right? So we'll have to wait, actually. That is fine. And I think, Shankar sir, do you trade intraday, or you are mainly taking positional trades?
Yeah.
I think he's on mute still. Okay. So then let's understand what this trend following actually gives us. So mainly, we all are here in market to make good money, right? But the things are what normally I say, and I think Shivraj can add it also, because he is actually a doctor by profession. So he can also add on this is, see, whenever you take a big quantity and you are, planning to stand it for a huge positional, for a huge time, it's going to be stressful, because your big money and the market movement is going to give you that stress. And if you are in stress, you are not going to make good decisions during the trading time. So that is the one thing that, it's not a way to make big money. With big quantity, you can always do day trading. You cannot do positional trades with huge money, right? So that is one place where you should avoid doing it. Now, normal standards that I speak normally is, if after taking the position, okay, your heartbeats are increasing, that means you are trading beyond your capacity, and you need to revise that, because you cannot have your health risk along with the risk of the capital that you are taking in the market. So you need to avoid this. So this is not the correct way to make some money in the market. And in day trading, you will never make more bigger money. But if you trade small quantity for big time, this is still possible, right? And small quantity, I'll just give you example of 20 quantity of bank nifty, which is just one lot, right? Even one lot can give you good money in trend following, right? But if you do small quantity intraday, which is small time, again, it is waste of time and you are only making the broker earn by means of giving him brokerage. So this is something which should be avoided. This is something which is avoided. Okay, so the only two things that remain is either you do big quantity on day trading or you do small quantity with big time. So this is where you should be more focusing, and mainly people who are at jobs doing mutual funds and all. I have a different theory. Never do that. Do this because this takes less than 5 minutes to analyze and to even put your orders into the system. So this is less than 5 minutes of analysis. That's it, right? And we will see why I'm saying less than 5 minutes, right? And so we normally know that you can make good money, and every one of you are aware that you can at least double your money with this type of systems. But then, why do most people do not follow this? Now, main thing is it is counterintuitive. Now, what do we mean by counterintuitive is that it says upfront that there is going to be frequent losses, right? So when you say to someone that this strategy is going to give you frequent losses, the other question comes out around is, then what is the profit it's going to be? It is just going to square up my maybe the losses I've incurred. No, that is the wrong understanding or a myth about trend following, because one single profit can take care of all the losses that you might have incurred, right? And there is not going to be just one profit. Mainly markets are trended every 2 months in one direction. So you get at least 5 to 6 trends in a year, and that 5 to 6 good money versus few of the losses that you occur. But as a trader or as a person, you will never know when the markets are going to get trended. So that is the reason why you need to be in market forever. Now, not exciting enough. See, many of you are doing day trading, and day trading excites a lot, right? Because you see a pattern, you see the strategy, you trade it, you make some money, you are, yay, I did something, fruitful today. But if you just don't have to do anything and still you are making money, that thing is going to be boring, and it's not going to be naturally applied by us, because we humans need thrills in everything that we do. So that is again the reason why we keep saying that it's not that natural, or it's not exciting enough for a day trader or a swing trader to do trend following. But the main money is made by this, and it's too long term. Now, if I tell you that the longest position in 2017 I hold it was for almost 6 months, 7 months, right? It's like, are you really crazy? It's like, you have a single girlfriend for a lifetime. Okay, so that is what, it again comes out around to be that you are, with one particular trade for too long time. And 2017, I'll show you that trade as well, which I had taken on Maruti. Okay, and it was like just going on in one direction. So then why do you need to, even select any other trade when you are making good money in a single trade? Hold it till it is, giving you money, and then think of, reversing it or maybe exiting it, right? So that is the main thing about trend following, but not followed because we are not used to this, right? So that is the main thing. Now let's see the other things. So what we call this losses in trend following are whipsaws actually. So whipsaws are nothing but the losses that you incur during sideways market, when there is a range bound market and no breakouts happening on either side. That is the time where a trader will lose money in case of trend following strategies. And this is the time where it is a dull period, or sometimes frustrating, and we will also understand why this is. But after any sideways market, there is always a breakout. And if you wait patiently during the phase of whipsaws, that is where you will make good money. And that is where you'll see the entry onto the winning side as well. So that is the main thing, and they're part of every trader's life. You cannot avoid it. And as someone said, so it's Ed Sikota, who is one of the European trade follower, and he said that if you really want to avoid it, that the best way is to stop trading, and which we all know we are never going to do that, right? So that is what he used to say, and he says that, do you guarantee? He also says the same thing. If you want guarantee, buy a toaster, don't trade, right? So that is what for whipsaws, it is his point. One thing which I can share with you is there is whipsaw song as well on YouTube. Okay, so just a suggestion, if you can listen to the same song. Okay, so just a suggestion that you can listen to this whipsaw song during the break. So I'll just share it to you on YouTube where it is. It's a 6 to 7 minute song. So this is what it is. And he's the guy, Ed Sikota, right? So he's the one who has sung it along with his actual crew. It's a 6 minute song, and you will see, the entire song. He has also said 6 rules of discipline in the market, right? So this is one thing which you should definitely make a point to listen to the song, and you will get the entire gist of trend following in this song itself, right? So that is the thing on the whipsaws. Now let's see, the trends in the market. So before we go to understand the first system, which is the top bottom system, we need to get averse with trend following and trends, right? So can you guys just pick up on this trends, or which do you see? So this first trend is which one?
Uptrend.
Uptrend, yes, Dharmani sir. And then this,
This is down.
and this
Sideways.
sideways, right? So this, very good. So this all are the trends which we already know. Now the main thing comes about is what makes this trend an uptrend and what makes this a downtrend, because these two are of main importance to us. Sideways in case of this market or this strategy is going to be little painful for us, right? And why it is painful, we will see that as well. Okay, mainly losses would be less but frequent, and in this there is going to be some good money, right? So now let's understand again on this. So I'll go to a new. Okay, so we had something like this in the market. So we had one particular price, and now we know that this is the top. Okay, and this is the bottom. Okay, so I just make it as B and T. Okay, so I'll just make it B, T, top and bottom, and now you get a another bottom which is higher than the previous. Okay, so this price maybe 1020, this is 1028. So this bottom is now higher, and if I get, if this top is say 1064, and now if I get a movement which is crossing 1064, there is a chance for me to make a higher top now, right? So now if I am making something like this, where my bottoms are rising and my tops are rising, right? We call this as a higher top, higher bottom, or as per Dow theory, we call it as an uptrend has been started, right? So the main thing is, if you want to get into a trend, right, when the trend is just starting, can anybody now let me know what can be the entry to go long over here?
When the higher top is broken, sir.
When this particular top is broken, right? Because this is the breakout line, right? So if I am entering, so everybody need to understand this. If I'm actually going to break this line, that means now I'm going to make a higher top than this. And that is the main reason why your entry should be at breaking of the top, right? So this breakout gives you an entry. And when you are actually entering this as a long trade, what should be your stop loss in this case? At what point will it fail to make a more higher bottom is going to be the stop loss. So I'm giving you that clue. So now where can you place the stop loss?
The higher bottom place, you place the stop loss.
Yes, so this becomes your stop loss. Okay, so let me just now put this as entry and stop loss. Okay, so now just let understand that this continues to rise. Okay, and then it retraces again, and then again it shows you some movement on the upside. So this, okay. So now what is the next thing that you should do?
Exit at higher bottom is this next bottom.
Yeah, so now the thing is you need to move your stop loss, not exit. But see, in this case, we are just going to move stop losses. And the only thing that will hit is stop loss and never your anything else. So now this becomes what we call it as revised stop loss. Because now there is a new higher bottom been made. So now the new higher bottom, so this is the new higher bottom. So now this becomes a stop loss because the price has moved from here. If this was still falling, your stop loss was here only. But now it is shown that it is moved up. That means a V has been made. Look at this, a V has been made in the price, and that V gives you the permission to revise your stop loss. So everyone getting it? Shankar sir and Naveen getting these points?
Yes, yes, getting it.
Right? So this is what it is. So this is where you revise your stop loss, right? So now where my existing stop loss was here at 1028, we are now around say 1128 and our entry was around 1065, right? So at least you are going to make some money now in this trade. And now if it is moving more ahead, okay, and now it retraces, comes here. Okay, so now again if it moves something like this is the place where your revised stop loss should now move to. So this is how you do it in case of the trend following. So this is just a system right now. I'm just explaining to you these things because there is going to be a quiz now in which I know Shankar Dayal sir has not spoken anything so far. Uh, right, so I'm going to ask him now. Okay, so let's see on the actual thing as well. So now if you are in this particular market, right, Shankar sir, now the question is for you, what will you do at point one? This point one is actually this part here. What would you do, buy or sell? I think he's having issues with internet. Okay, so then Navin, you need to answer. I think
So
Buy.
here I need to enter the position, the long position,
long position, and when you enter the long position, what is going to be the stop loss? Will it be the low here or will it be the low here?
higher bottom, the first higher
Higher,
bottom.
yeah, the first higher bottom, right, right. And then now I think I'll ask Dharmani uncle. Dharmani uncle, what will you do here?
Yeah, we will exit here.
You will exit, and what else can we do? See, हमको हमेशा market में रहना है, right? So now to stay in the market, long position is gone.
And then we will short here, and
Yes.
this will be the stop loss.
Yeah, the top would be the stop loss, and you short here as well,
Yes, yes.
right? So that is the main logic. So you need to do both the things, right? So you buy here, then as soon as the bottom has been broken here, you exit your long position, but you also go short, and that short. So now, Shivraj, for you, point three, what will we do this? At this point, what is to be done?
We exit the short position and enter into a long position.
Yes, you exit the short position and you re-enter into a long position, right? And see, in this case, the stop loss is going to be too far, right? And in real life also, it can be far. We were, short in Bank Nifty from almost 31,000. We'll see that also. And till 28,000, my stop loss was somewhere around 3205. Okay, so it was, like unbelievable stop losses, but you have to keep the system stop loss because that is where you make that huge money, right? So at least getting what we are right now trading. Sankar sir, you are an I think now you have unmuted yourself.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
आपको समझा सर पूरा पार्ट?
हाँ समझा समझा कंप्लीट समझा मैंने आंसर भी किया था
अच्छा आप म्यूट पे रहोगे तभी इसके लिए
हाँ
तो चलेगा. We all can keep on unmute, that is fine if there is not much noise in the background, so that it makes more better. Thank you sir. Okay. So,
Kamal, on point two, right? It's
Ah.
not clear why we should exit long and take a short.
That is a good question. See now, for me to remain in the uptrend, and uptrend ka, what is the main signal? It should keep doing higher top, higher bottoms,
Right.
right? So now this was the highest bottom, and I should get a bottom somewhere here and still move up. But
Right.
now I'm actually breaking the higher bottom. That means now I'll get a lower bottom.
Okay.
Okay, so now I might get lower top, lower bottom,
Hmm.
right? So that is the trend change. So
Right.
you also go short and you exit the long. Getting it?
Got it.
Okay, just one thing on your SIP which you are doing. Okay, if any of the stocks are doing this, I know as a clients we don't get to say anything to the mutual fund guys, but they don't follow this. Okay, and also they have got a fixed tenure, at least 6 months to 1 year. They cannot exit the position. So mainly, this is the only reason why I prefer to do my own trading rather than giving them. So this is one point where people struggle to actually move out. See, many stocks did the same thing in February, and they all were good stocks. And this was the time to book profits and stay in cash for the people who are actually doing equity investments. But they failed to do that, and then the entire downtrend started, and they realized it in a month's time. 40% to 60% of their capital was wiped out, right? And then it is very difficult to book losses because we all know that whatever goes down will also go up. So then we are now waiting for the new price that will now start coming once the market starts moving in the upward direction, right? But this is the main levels where if you are following or doing your own portfolio in equity, and if you see something like this happening, this is the time for you to at least change your or book your profits. So mainly if you are an investors, I know Naveen, you said about it, Dharmani uncle said about it. So for you guys, Dharmani sir, आपने एक question पूछा था what whether we have to see this on daily or with chart. For investment portfolio, you should see these on monthly chart. If monthly higher top, higher bottoms are broken, that is where you should then think of exiting the position for that time. If it is not in futures, do not do short, but at least book the profits and keep it. So this is that level in the chart which you should actually move to. Okay, so getting that clear, because this is where many people failed, and then they are saying that markets are not giving us anything. And it was giving you good uptrended money, but we didn't book it. So that is the point where we missed as an investor, right?
Yes.
Right. So now let's move to the strategy. Okay, so this is nothing but the top bottom strategy. So now I think Naveen had one doubt. Apart of that, does anybody has any doubts on the strategy? This is actually the top bottom. Any doubts
Sir,
so far? Yes.
so when we are when it's forming higher top, higher bottom, and
Huh.
we are moving the stop loss, can we
Yes.
keep adding positions, sir, when the higher tops are hitting?
Shiraj, as usual, you are little faster because yes, every time a new top has been crossed, you do pyramiding. Okay, so when you entered here at point 1, at this point, when I'm crossing this, you can pyramid. When again I'm crossing this on the higher side, you can pyramid. And your stop loss would be number of lots plus 1, because plus 1 is to go reverse.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so always you will have to see, so your margin required is going to be always double than your investment, what you are thinking as. Okay, so when you go for one lot buy, your actual order in the systems are of 2 lots, because one lot is buy, the one lot is again reversal, which is there in case of here, right? So if the stop loss hit, you are also reversed in the market. So you have to, occupy the margin of 2 lots at a time. Similarly, if you have done any pyramiding, say at this point, so now your 2 positions is long and your stop loss will have the third lot to go reverse as well. So again, the margin required will be of 3 lots and not, of just 2 lots, which you are long right now. Okay, so you'll have to always have that type of margin available with you. So that is, the main thing, difference between any normal trading and trend following, where you are also prepared for the reverse position in the market. Yes.
Sir, actually, it's when you put buy, the stop loss will be 2 lots, no, sir, because we'll be reversing the order as well, no?
Yes, so that is what. So 2 lots would be there. Okay, but if you have pyramided, okay, pyramiding is done only when a particular highs are being made in the market, right? So when you pyramid and see, if you have bought here also, so now you're 2 lots long, but your reverse position should be only single lot, because for that the pyramiding rule has still not come.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay, so that is the main reasons. It's not that 2 lot long, so 4 should be the stop loss. No, that means you're taking